All right, we are here at the Prefit for the custom grill outdoor kitchen unit. We have the left side that is perfect. We will just I'll probably bring this up an inch, huh? Maybe an inch from the bottom. Like, you don't want it right on the bottom.
No.
So maybe like an inch.
Yeah.
An inch from the bottom. So I'll measure from here to there. So I'll need to do that top measure.
Yeah.
Top stitch to give it a nice finished edge. This looks good. And we'll focus on this area here, connecting it together. Yep, so that's what these are for, to connect them together, but I figure we'll do one there and one there. Yeah. All right, so we're just going to focus on doing a 3-inch lip on there with this right here.
Look at this release.